So what did you last year with COVID?
What?
With COVID, with less tourists, what did you do?
I'm snorkeling. I'm a diver.
You're a diver?
Yeah, commercial diver, but I'm snorkeling for octopus.
Oh, in Praline.
No, here. Here, it's my island. Beautiful island. Snorkeling everywhere. Get some like octopus.
Oh.
Here, very nice. You get some, like here, 1 kilo octopus is 100 rupees.
Yeah.
Yeah.
How do you fish it?
I have a stick. I go with my stick.
You say 1 kilo octopus is 100
100 rupees.
Yeah, 1 kilo.
It's cheaper than
Cheaper, yeah, it's very
Than
cheaper.
eating
yeah.
at the
Because
restaurant.
the restaurant is like 500 everywhere you go
Yeah.
for the curry.
Yeah, yeah. Very cheaper here.
Ah shit, it's
For
actually
me,
not
it's
so
very
expensive.
cheaper.
When do you fish the octopus?
When now no, when there is no tourists, I go. But now when tourists, I don't go. Understand? Or is it there? It's about street there.
Yes.
Now you put it there. Huh?
Ça c'est bon. Oh wow, wow, wow.
Yeah, Bahia. Hein?
Et puis on va couper là.
Ah bon?
Ils vont retirer là, je casse pas, ils viennent poisson bon.
Ah. Olha.